How to sell and withdraw on Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell and withdraw on Coinbase. So in order to sell and withdraw on Coinbase, all you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, first of all, go ahead and log into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this interface. Now right on this page, you'll have to go ahead and select My Asset in the navigation bar. Next, you'll have to select local currency and choose cash out as well. So go ahead and select the options, and then you need to enter the exact amount currency you want to cash out. Once you've done that, go ahead and select your bank and select continue. Once you're done selecting the continue and choose cash out now, you've successfully withdrawn on Coinbase. So that is how you can sell and withdraw on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.